So the last page we need to make is one that actually allows the user to make a reservation. So they go to the website, they find what they search for the dates. Those dates are available. Then they get taken to the page to make a reservation. So we have to make a page for that. So I'll create a new file, which I will call makereservation.html. And again, we have to cut this up into our templates at some point, our Go templates, but I'm not worried about that yet. So all I'm going to do is copy the contact page, which is currently mostly empty, and paste it in here. And I'll find the section where I actually have the content right here, and I will make this my form. Okay, so what do we need? First thing we need is a title, H1. I'll just call this Make Reservation. And then I need to have a form. Form method equals post. I want to post this, and I want to post it somewhere. Action equals, I'll leave that empty for now because we haven't set up a route in our Go code to handle that. And it will be class needs validation because I want to use my client-side validation. That means I need to put no validate in there. There's my opening and closing form tag. Now, what kind of information do we need? We probably need more than we're actually going to put into this form because we just want to build a form and make it work, and we can improve it later. So for right now, let's go with div class equals form group to hold my form input. And I want this to be pushed down a little bit, so I'll give it a margin at the top of 5. And inside of that, I'll create a label. I want to know their first name. And I'll make that for equals first name. And underneath that, I will have an input. Input, type equals text, name equals first name, ID equals first name. And do I need anything else in there? I'm going to put one more in there. I'm going to make it required, obviously, because I want their first name. And I'm also going to put autocomplete equals to off. I don't want it to automatically start typing whatever they typed into first name on some other form somewhere else. I'm just going to put that in there. Sometimes it works. It works really well, except Chrome sometimes causes grief, but I'm going to put it in there. It's not going to hurt anything. So I have a first name. Now, let's copy that and paste it and put in there a last name, which will be for last name. And I'll copy that and paste it here and paste it here. Good. Then I'll copy this whole thing. I want their first name. I want their last name. Let's get their email address and their phone number. I don't need the margin top here. Let's get rid of that. I don't need the margin top here. I just want to push the first one down. So email of type email, name of email, ID of email, for email. And we'll copy this whole thing and do one for phone. And phone is of type, or for phone, type text, name, phone, ID is phone, and I need a way to submit the form, so let's put a horizontal rule in there and just put in a button. Input type equals submit, class equals button, button primary to give it a nice bootstrap primary button, and a value. Make reservation. All right, let's save that and open it up in Firefox and see what it looks like. So up it comes. And something's wrong there. It doesn't look quite right. Class equals form control on my input. Class equals form control. Let's copy that and paste it. And paste it there. Paste it there. Paste it there. Save this, go back, reload that. That looks better. Got to fix my label. Where I said email, I have to put phone. Phone number. Perfect. So there, I think we have all the content we need to start cutting our pages up and doing something useful with them. But first, let's add some JavaScript and some nice styling.